Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to download and install a VPN on your phone. Now, before we start, here is something really important. Always download VPN apps directly from the App Store or Google Play Store. That way, you know they're safe and the official version. No risk and no fake apps. All right, let's go through some of the most popular VPNs that you can try. First up is NordVPN. This one is super popular worldwide. A lot of people use it for streaming and fast browsing. When you open the App Store, just search for NordVPN, download it, and then sign up. Their plans usually start at just a few dollars per month if you go for a longer subscription. The best thing about NordVPN is speed and security. You get thousands of servers around the world and it's really reliable. Next is let's look at Surfshark. Now, what makes Surfshark stand out is unlimited devices. That means you can install it on your phone, your laptop, your tablet, even share with family all under one account. The prices are actually cheaper compared to some big names and they still give you a great features like ad blocking and extra privacy tools. Moving on, we have Hide.me VPN. If you're someone who just wants to test a VPN for free, this is a good choice. They offer a free plan with limited data, but it's still enough for light browsing. And of course, they also have a premium plan that unlocks faster speeds and more locations. Hide.me is simple, clean, and very beginner friendly. Now let's check out Touch VPN. This one is completely free to download and use, and you don't even need to create an account to start. It is super quick, just one tap and you're connected. But remember, since it's free, you might notice slower speeds or fewer server choices compared to paid VPNs. But still, it's a great option if you just want something simple and easy. And finally, we have VPN Proxy Master. This app has millions of downloads and it's popular because of how easy it is to use. The free version works fine for basic browsing, but they also have a premium option if you want faster and more secure connections. A lot of beginners like this one. Malito. A lot of beginners like this one because the setup takes less than a minute. So those are 5 VPN apps that you can try today. NordVPN, Surfshark, Hide.me, TouchVPN, and VPN Proxy Master. All of them can be downloaded straight from the App Store or Google Play Store. And just remember, free VPNs are good for testing or light use. But if you want speed, security, and unlimited streaming, it's worth investing in a paid plan like NordVPN or Surfshark. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Go ahead and try them out and see which VPN works best for you.